Hello, everyone. Welcome to English 100. My name is Alex Sterling, your instructor, and this is your Meet Your Professor video for week 1 of the course. First, 2020, what a year. The coronavirus pandemic. I hope that you and your families are safe, and I'm glad that you're here with us at LMC. English 100 is hard work. You will likely spend 8 to 11 hours a week on this course. However, we will give you lots of support. We have a tutor. I will work with you one-on-one and give you lots of help along the way. Also, the English department is in support of Black Lives Matter, and we strive for anti-racist teaching. You can call me Alex, or Mr. Sterling, or Professor Sterling, whatever you prefer. I have been married for 21 years. This is me with my wife, Julianne. We have 2 sons. They will both be in high school this year at Albany High School in Albany. And this is Jasper on the left and Adlai on the right. I am a Warriors fan. This is my son in the white headband at Golden State Warriors camp some years ago. And here he is in a photo with Steph Curry. I am also a musician. You can see me here with my rock band, which was called DeSoto Reds, before I shaved off my beard. One of the reasons I teach college English is that I absolutely love to read. And these are 2 books that I'm reading this summer. Racism has become a major topic, and so I decided to look at these books. Stamped from the Beginning is a history of racist ideas by Ibram Kendi. And The Vanishing Half is a novel about a light-skinned Black woman who passes as white. I recommend both of these books. Thanks for watching the video.